Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. Hey, if you haven't been here before, my name is Jason Jordan from Affiliate Marketer, and I also show people how they can get started making money online with affiliate marketing. I also do some network marketing, and I do some trading in precious metals and stocks, because the more we can do to make money online means the less that we have to worry about having to have a 9-to-5 job. So what I've done is I've put together several series, and this is the current series we're working on right now. Turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank. So what we're doing, we're seeing how long it will take us to start turning those kind of numbers with just a simple copy and paste product. We're just using the email system, which is MLGS, and we're just simply copying, pasting the pre-written emails from Clickbank offers, and we're just going to run through those offers and see how long it takes us to get to a good solid income with just that offer. All right, so today we are working on day number 17. So if you're following along and the emails are below, then that is where we're at today. And let's just jump right in to our Clickbank account. And let's see what today looks like for day 17. So all the way up to 17, now we're looking at so 22, almost 2,300 hops. So clicks to our link, which is good. We're getting up there. We're staying steady. Getting lots of visits. And then we've got 63 visits to our order form, which is people that are going forward, moving forward in the website, and are looking into actually making that purchase. So this is good. This is good news. We're still gaining every single day, and we're going to see how long it takes before we find that right person that's going to go ahead and make that purchase for us. And then we'll have some good figures after that. All right, so let's jump into my lead gen secret right here. We're running 5 accounts. Like I say, if my suggestion is don't run any less than 2, because at least if you have 2, then you're getting those extra leads dumped in every day. You're getting to double those, at least on that one account. And that's what you need. You just need as many as you can get going in there. And that is how we do this, by just dumping loads and loads of traffic. So let's get logged in. And if you go back to the first video, I show you a little secret about making those additional accounts where you make them under yourself, and then you get the commission from that, and you also get those leads from that. So it works out on your behalf twofold, right? So, all right, I've already got these emails pre-written and copied in Google Drive. That way I checked the grammar and the spelling already, so I'm just going to pull them from there. And it makes it a little easier to do that because it checks it for us automatically. So we're going to, again, we're not going to worry about this because we don't need to change this. We don't need these, so we're not going to worry about that. You can check your statistics here, which we've done. This is for affiliates, so you can go in there and you can see whenever you've made sales and things in there, you can see that. I wouldn't worry too much about this unless you want to advertise this standalone. And then here is your affiliate link whenever you go to make those other accounts, or if you want to start marketing this product as just a side product, which you can do as well. I do some, not a lot, but you absolutely can. All right, so what we'll do is, let me get rid of this. And then let's go ahead and just go down here and we'll click mailing system. And then we've got our leads right here. We're going to hit select all. And we'll come down and we're going to go ahead and pull our subject line from our email, which we've already got pre-written for us over here. There it is. And then we're going to pull our email. Control C. And then you're going to highlight and Control V. Now, again, here, we're just going to go in and put our name. And then up here, we're going to change this short code. Change that short code to this short code from the system, comma, and then I always go through unbold, and then I bold only the link. And then we'll bump that size up a little bit. We want people to see that. That way they know that's where they need to go. Okay. So there is a pre-header. I'm not going to use it on this one. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It's not a big deal. The pre-header is just right here. Actually, it just says $35 per hour. And then we're going to click perfect timing. We're going to go ahead and I should just, I don't know why I put my last name. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and highlight this in Control C and copy, and then we're going to send it. Now, remember, after this sends, don't log out. You want to go to the tab and right click and make a duplicate right there. So we've got easy access to our next account. So then you're going to go log out. Log into your number 2 account right here. Mailing system. Select all. Let's go ahead and go down to our email. Highlight, Control V, because we already had it. Perfect timing, and go up to our subject right there. I'm going to grab our email one more time, Control C, and send. All right, then we'll go to our other tab, and we're going to log out, and we're going to log back in on number 3. Mailing system, select all the way down to email, Control V, perfect timing, back up to subject line. And we're going to Control C here again for our next account. All right, so let's see, we'll go into our next account. And it's going to be number 4. Whoops, not that one, right there. Mailing system, select all the way down. Highlight, Control V, there's our email, perfect timing. And then over to our subject. Grab our subject line, Control V. Grab our email, Control C, and send. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to go on to our last account. If you've got only 2, you're done by now. If you've got more than 5, then you just continue on the same way. But 5 seems to be the ideal number for these accounts for whatever reason. But it works really well. So there's a subject, our email's ready, and we don't need to copy this again because this is our last email, last account. Okay, and it's gone. So perfect. Now, if you guys think that this might be good for you to try, all the info is below. If you click under more information or the video description, it's all in there. And you can easily get started and follow along. We're just going to continue to do these, and we're going to run through several of these programs and these offers in Clickbank. So once we're done with this one, we've got another let's see, we've got another 3 days, another 3 emails. So we're going to send them out for another 3 days, and then we're going to move on to the next one. So right now we're still on this one, and now the next one is going to be this one that we start. So we'll start using this, and we'll do that. What's today? Today's Sunday, so probably Thursday we'll start on this program. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy these emails. I'm going to make a document. I'm going to put them below the videos, and we're just going to continue on just like we're doing here and see if we start making money with this offer. And by then, maybe we'll start making money with the above offer. Then we'll have both going, and then we just keep going. The thing about this email system is that even if someone didn't open that email right now or when it went out, they may open it a week from now. They may open it, 2 weeks from now, and then that may be something they want. So this stuff going out, it's not just for right now. It's just for it's gonna be there. It's gonna be there in their box waiting for them. And once they open it, they're gonna see. And once they click on it and go forward, then the operators of the offer, the company, is also going to market this to them. It'll be on your behalf. So you'll still be attached to this offer. So pretty cool the way these work out. I like it. I like it more once I see that we start making some income from them. But this is the way it works. It does take time. You just have to be patient, be consistent, and persistent. If you are interested in looking at any of these other programs I run, this one is really good. You can see inside here. And this one also is good as well. And you can go through and watch those series. A lot of training in here. I do some daily trainings in these, and you can use that training for whatever offer you want. Okay, there's also some more training down here about traffic and kind of how to, and some other traffic offers that we work with. And then down here is another system. I am going to be redoing this series here and making it more informational, and I'm going to update it. There has been some updates to this program, which I have not made this series yet to reflect those changes. So I will be doing that. So watch out for those. Also, feel free to go check that system out. It is really good. I do pretty well with them. So until then, thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a like on this video. I appreciate it. And then we will see you on the next one. Later.